Thinking about deleting your TikTok account? Whether you want a break or you're done for good, I'll show you how to deactivate and permanently delete your TikTok account. Step by step, stay tuned. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Then, tap the three-line menu at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Account and then select Deactivate or Delete Account. Here, you'll see two options: Deactivate account or delete account permanently. If you just want a break, select Deactivate account. This will temporarily hide your profile, but you can log back in anytime to restore it. If you want to delete it permanently, choose Delete Account. TikTok will ask you to confirm your decision and may require verification. You can see, TikTok will ask you, why are you leaving TikTok? You can choose below, I'm leaving temporarily, I'm on TikTok too much, safety or privacy concerns, too many relevant ads, trouble getting started, I have multiple accounts, and lastly, another reason. So in I'm leaving temporarily, TikTok suggests if you might be back, consider deactivating your account. Deactivating allows you to recover your account anytime. Deleting means you lose your account and all content permanently after 30 days. Then next is I'm on TikTok too much. So they will suggest to setting a limit on your watch time. Next is safety or privacy concerns. They will suggest to keeping your account secure, switching to a private account and managing privacy settings, blocking users and report a problem. Next is too many irrelevant ads. So they will suggest managing your ads personalization, trouble getting started. So they will suggest setting up your profile, exploring videos, creating your first video, and lastly, get more tips on using TikTok. Next is I have multiple accounts. Lastly, another reason, you'll provide as much detail as possible and don't share. After selecting Delete Account, TikTok will warn you that your data will be lost forever. If you're sure, tap Continue, follow any verification steps, and confirm. Once deleted, your account enters a 30-day deactivation period. If you change your mind, you can log in within 30 days to restore it. After that, it's gone forever. And that's it. You now know how to deactivate or permanently delete your TikTok account. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one. Goodbye.